the okay, we can adjust the high the high. It's so hot. I was in Iceland. Okay, I need to keep high. It's like 30 degrees. I'm back from Iceland. I'm dying. Iceland was so nice. It was like in the range of 6-ish Celsius to, I don't know, 14. It was perfect weather. It was so nice. You could survive. I can't survive. I brought candy. I'm tasting candy. I'm dying. And it's all chocolate, of course, most of it, because I love chocolate. But chocolate and weather like that. Chocolate is so good, and then weather like this destroys it. I don't even... Okay, now you're twisted the other way. Cool. The lighting is so bad because it's so sunny, everything's bright. There's no way to do a focus lighting with the equipment I have. And it's very noisy. I have to have all the fans going and, stovetop air circle. This chocolate. I guess we'll start with lava. Some of this is, of course, very like tourist gifty. You're a tourist and you take this stuff, and it's very highly expensive. It's designed so you take it home to your parents. That's Here's an example. It's a bit squished because it was traveling in my luggage. But I guess there you go. It's so soft now because it's too hot. It's very, I guess it's, lava because it spills out like that. It's good. It was different in Iceland where it wasn't 30 degrees. It's milk chocolate with puffed rice and marshmallow filling. I was expecting the marshmallow bit to be gooey like this, but it was more like stringy. I expected it to be like a fluffy marshmallow that kind of you can bite through and it's nice and soft. It wasn't. I don't know, it's just this. Oh, look, a completely unopened package of Freya. Suðusúkkulaði med skógarberjaperlum. So it's milk chocolate with like forest berry beads, bowls. Back out. It's all gooey and gishy because of the hot, but there you go. It's good. It was better in Iceland when it wasn't 30 degrees. But it was also priced better because it wasn't just a tourist chocolate. I think this is something locals might buy. And the forest berry beads taste good. And the chocolate is nice too. Next up, we have Lindu Smá Puff, which appear to be mini marshmallow rounds coated in chocolate. I wonder if this is much different from the lava. I'll keep doing this. I hope you like the zooms. I do wish that it would be able to focus, but can you do? It's the same. Nice. This is my dinner. My lunch. It's 6:30 p.m. This is my lunch. I've only eaten breakfast today. It's good. It's just very stringy. Because it's hot. If you didn't know. I like those. I would have those again. And in fact I will. Because we've been like mostly chocolate the whole time. There was a couple of marshmallow filled chocolate stuff. And we're keeping with that. This is chocolate stuff, but there's also licorice, which I'm interested in because licorice is something people here are very proud about liking. There's caramel too. There's caramel too. Is it caramel in the middle? Because it's there's Iceland on the package. No, it's hot, so these are like very soft and squishy. That's actually interesting. It's a bit different. The licorice does things. The outer layer is just like fine chocolate. Yeah, the inside is definitely caramel. It's a nice mix of licorice and chocolate. It's a bit hot now. You're loved. I don't know if I said that before. Did I say hi? Hi. Recommend. Ooh, next up it's just licorice. What a curveball. Who would have thunk? As you've seen, you've seen nothing. Sit down on your ass. Which is a surprisingly robust... what am I talking about? Stop me. Don't. Cut it. Since you may be having taste... it's a tube. I can talk through this. Since you may be having tasted this before, I was able to compare this with the last one. And the comparison... this is a bit closer to Finnish salty licorice salmiakki than the licorice in the chocolate licorice thing, but it's missing that saltiness and that mix of... I should talk about that in some video. It's like a mix of what is it? Some acid and ammonium, I think. It's fine. I think this is missing that, but it's still good. I do not know how I can pretend to have the dexterity to zoom in and out and be functional in this stage of... No, this is one of the first ones I saw. And it was expensive, but I knew I did have to get it because look at that. First of all, its name is Omnom, which is just amazing. Omnom nom 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 nom. And then the rainbow. the unicorns. There was a lot of rainbow and pride flags everywhere in Iceland, which I greatly appreciated. I have footage of some of that. There's one chain of petrol stations, gas stations, that had that. I should do another video where I show off things. Oh, it opens like a bref. A letter. It opens like a letter. Or it kind of looks like a letter. That's cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's got the wolf in the... Okay, so the inside looks fairly unappetizing, but I'm sure the taste... I think this was caramel. There was other flavors from the same Omnom, but they didn't have the rainbows and the unicorns, and this was caramel. Oh, it's fully flat on the other side, and it's good. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's good, but there's some... What is that? Okay, it is a bit darker chocolate, but there's also some flavor that I don't know where it comes from. But it's very interesting. It's kind of a stingy... Pokes my tongue. My flavors. Okay, it's good. And it has a unicorn. And rainbows on it. Oh, this was one of the more affordable ones. This comes with 3... I think I felt 3 stacks of chocolate. And it's wrapped in a very nice looking kind of old-timey paper. So this is Suðusúkkulaði. Sirius Suðusúkkulaði sen úrvals Suðusúkkulaði og gott til átu. Það framleitt úr völdum kakaobánum nytiskúvelum. Sirius Suðusúkkulaði nörandi. Áðmeltanlegt. Bragdgott og drygt til súðu. Það hefur árum saman verið eftirlætis nesti ferðamann. I don't know what that means, but I've been trying to catch up on Icelandic phonology to know how the sounds work. Nice. It's chocolate. I think it's dark. It's good. Fairly basic, kind of. No huge surprises as pertains to like the creaminess or the sweetness. Fairly what I'm used to with fatsa. That definitely gets an 8. Then we have traditional Icelandic chocolate. Still by Sirius, I think. And I think this was much more expensive than that. It's packaged more like a tourist chocolate. Yes, by the same brand, but milk chocolate. And it's colored lighter, but it also almost has a greenish yellowish tint because of... I'm not used to seeing chocolate be this color. Maybe they didn't bother putting coloring agents in, which is fine. The chocolate is fine. Not a huge fan of that. The dark chocolate is better. This is not overly sugary sweet, but it does have like a hook. It does end up being overly sweet. I don't know if it's the type of cocoa butter they use or anything, but no, I'd actually say no. It's way too like uncomfortably sweet. Appelsine sukkulaði med appelsino prakti. Probably like orange chocolate with orange bits. Or something like that. By Lindu. Lindu means bird in Finnish, not written like this, but the word Lindu. Tender is the night. Oh God. I like that. I didn't even show it properly. Orange was nice. The milk chocolate was nice too. I hate it when the pieces don't snap because it's so hot. It's hot here, by the way. Have you heard about this? It's like this was Sirius's Suðusúkkulaði med karamellluhkuri. Let me just show you. Sirius Suðusúkkulaði med karamellluhkuri og íslensku sjávarsalti. So it's like caramel bits and ocean sea salt bits. Oh yeah, Rjóma ís is like ice cream, so it's like milk ice. If Suðusúkkulaði is like milk chocolate, unless it's like cream ice and cream chocolate, but either way. I still don't enjoy this chocolate taste. But the caramel and salt does help. You know, when I envisioned an Iceland candy tasting video, I expected high energy. But before the trip, I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna be such a funny. It's gonna be such a funny, high energy, chaotic video. And chaos is here exists. Thank you for watching. I suppose you'll see more when I go outside again. That's not abroad again, which I might not for a while. I need to study, unless this comes out in like 10 months. Then it's summer again. Oh gosh, it's gonna be summer again and hot. You're loved. Let's go spread some love today, like this heat spreads my